This video demonstrates how developers can use iGrant.io APIs to issue verifiable credentials using the OpenID4 verifiable credentials, or specifically, OpenID4VCI standard. The issued credentials are based on the W3C VC JWT format and comply with the European Digital Identity Wallet Implementing Acts. Start by setting your API key, as shown in Step 1. This step is essential to authenticate your API requests. In Step 2, ensure the chosen credential format is W3C VC JWT. Then, click the Run button to create a credential definition using the provided code block. From the API response received, copy the credential definition ID for use in the next step. In Step 3, ensure you select the W3C VC JWT credential format and replace the placeholder credential definition ID with the actual ID obtained from Step 2. Now click the Run button to create the credential offer. Once you receive the API response, toggle the button to generate a QR code dynamically. To initiate the credential issuance, the individual can now scan this QR code using the data wallet or any compatible EUDI wallet. The issuer will then issue the credential to the EUDI wallet, completing the process. The individual can now view the received credential. Stay connected and subscribe for continued insight into European digital identity wallets.